The Institute of Sports and Exercise Science of University Muenster had great benefits from the GOLD project. We profited from the extensive exchange between the partners, and we learned very much about older people's situation, the social and health system in the partners' countries, and we became aware of the existing differences to the German system. And this will help us in other international projects. We got to know many good practices and GOLD practices of the partners' organizations, and we were able to experience some of them by ourselves during the on-site meetings. Our working group at our institute focuses on the physical activity and physical health of seniors. Therefore, it was very interesting to bring different foci together, because the other partners work more on the social, cognitive, and emotional health, which contributes to our holistic view on physical activity and well-being. Moreover, we profited from the project because we could extend our international connections. And in fact, during the GOLD lifetime, we were involved in other European projects with some other GOLD partners. As we are a research institute, we are mostly not in direct contact with seniors, which means that we are not able to implement the GOLD practices in our everyday work. However, we are building a local network for establishing these contacts. For this purpose, the GOLD projects, the results will be very helpful. In some of our study programs, we offer seminars on older adults and physical activity, and we plan to include the GOLD results or the background of the project here. Besides that, the project results provided us a better understanding and foresight regarding the situation of older people in different countries. And this background knowledge is already flowing into our ongoing research proposals. Anyway, we will use the connections to the partners for future projects. For example, we are now working with some of the partners in another project, and we are sure that new projects, ideas will arise from the GOLD consortium.